Iron Man, Captain America, War Machine, Thor, Black Panther. What happens when heroes team up and these Marvel Monster Jam trucks fly into action? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. It's time to play Crush It or Crash It. JCB, Digatron, and Scooby-Doo are taking it to the track. What happens when this mean machine takes on this mystery-solving mutt? Will the trucks crush it or crash it? Does A, Scooby-Doo chase a Scooby snack? B, Digatron shake his thing in the Digger dance? Or C, Scooby-Doo roll over? Let's find out. It's C, Scooby-Doo roll over. Looks like Digatron beat the dog. Okay, Scooby, sit, stay, good boy. Crashed it! It's Monster Jam's Mini Jam Treadmill Race. Does one truck have the stamina to outlast the rest, or will they all wipe out? Will the Mini Jams crush it or crash it? Will it be A, a Marvel truck rolling for the win? B, Max D destroy all other trucks? Or C, a multi-Monster Jam truck tie? Ooh, I can't wait to find out! A Marvel truck rolling for the win! And it looks like Thor isn't only the god of thunder, he's the titan of the treadmill! Burn those calories, big guy! Crushed it! The orange body, the horn on its head. That can only mean one thing. El Toro Loco is back! What happens when it launches into a backflip? Will the truck crush it or crash it? Does it A, land on its horns, B, land in a wheelie, or C, land in a nose wheelie? Let's flip back to the action. It's C, land in a nose wheelie. Looks like Dragon has a front row seat for the action. Good job, El Toro Loco. Crushed it. The amazing Spider-Man is ready to swing into stunts. What happens when this truck swings from a web? Does it crush it or crash it? Will the truck A, drop and land between Marvel trucks, B, swing and smash into Mega Spider-Man, or C, come crashing down when the web snaps? Let's swing back into action. It's A, drop and land between Marvel trucks. Spider-Man may be late, but they're finally all assembled. Crushed it. The one and only Gravedigger. This iconic truck has been entertaining Monster Jam fans for years. What happens when it goes for big air? Does it crush it or crash it? Will the truck A, come up short and come crashing down? B, go higher and farther than ever before? Or C, smash into a wipeout and save? Let's find out. It's C, smash into a wipeout and save. This iconic truck just keeps going. There's no tombstone with its name on it. Crushed it. Marvel Monster Jam Iron Man Mini Jam. Man, with a name like that, you know the stunt is gonna be epic. Does the truck crush it or crash it? Does it A, knock Thor off a tap light, B, get caught in Black Panther's claws, or C, smash into Spider-Man? Back into the action. It's A, knock Thor off a tap light. Hey Thor, you have your hammer, the arc reactor is Iron Man's. Crushed it. The undead has risen again. Zombie! This truck is going for big air, and it looks like it's coming for a hard landing. Does the truck crush it or crash it? Does it A, crash nose first into crushed cars, B, bounce, flip, and nail the landing, or C, lose both its arms on impact? Let's find out. It's B, bounce, flip, and nail the landing. Hey, if Monster Jam ever has a truck gymnastics team, I think we know who will take the gold. Crushed it! Okay, remember at the beginning of the episode when Marvel Monster Jam trucks flew into action? Well, it's time to find out what happened. Do the trucks crush it or crash it? Do they A, disappear into the multiverse, B, magically become mini jams, or C, take a relaxing weekend in Wakanda? Let's find out. magically become mini jams. Ooh, check them out! They crashed in big and rolled out small. Wonder what else these trucks have up their sleeves. Crushed it! Make sure to check out more Crush It or Crash It episodes.